Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Wow, nice. Oh wow, I just caught a fish. Oh, something hit it hard. Oh yeah. I'm playing with this one. It hit that real hard. Oh. Oh, he hit that real hard. Oh yeah. Hey guys. First fish. I felt it when he picked it up, guys. Hey guys, this is one of the most beautiful places I've ever fished. With no further ado, this little guy back in the water where he belongs. Thank you, sir. Yanked it up out the grass, he grabbed it. Nice one, too. Okay, yeah. 3 pounds. Hey guys, just got him I don't know, he probably about 3 pounds, I guess. Got him on the 2-tap, lipless crankbait, Strike King. Still using the Strike King 2-tap, silver and black back, lipless crankbait. Oh, got something. What is this? Bass. Yes, sir. Wow. Oh my goodness. Did y'all see how he hit that in the water? Oh my goodness. Nice. Let's get you back in the water, buddy. Thank you so much. All right, guys, just got on a real nice one. Hey, that's the wrong way, buddy. You're supposed to go the opposite way. Hold on. Let me help you out. Let me help you out. Hold on. Let me help you out. All right, now. All right.
Hey man, you doing all right today?
Yes, sir. How about yourself, man?
Pretty good, pretty good. Having any luck?
Got one.
One? Really?
Be able to see my license.
Yes sir, sure.
Okay. Well, I got those.
You from around here?
Yes, I am, man.
I went to ECU, so grew up here, trained in Craven County, and I'm new to the area, so just trying to get used to everything.
Y'all check this out. This is one of the coolest game wars I've met you guys.
Good deal. How you say your last name?
Clyde Dipper.
All right, Mr. Clyde, you're good to go.
Well, thank you, sir.
Sure do appreciate
I
it.
appreciate you.
Take
Look,
care.
this guy, now he's about one of the coolest game wars I met. I'm gonna let him introduce himself.
So guys, my name's Officer Brantley from North Carolina Wildlife Resources Commission. We're out here at River Park today with Mr. Clyde, and he's hopefully going to catch some more fish than that one bass he's had. But we just came out here today and patrolling a little bit and came out here and checked his license. So make sure you go buy your fishing license.
Yes, sir. Look, I'm gonna get a picture with him. I ain't gonna hold you up, 'cause I know you're a busy man.
Cool. Hey, I appreciate it,
Brian,
Clyde.
appreciate you,
Yeah,
man.
hey, I'm gonna hook you up with one of my cards too if you ever
Thank
got
you,
any
man.
questions or anything.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you come out here to a lot, or where you go down to Port Jordan or anything? Yeah, man, I just checked over there at Town Common, and a guy called 2 miles at a good size shad.
They running up because last week I think they were catching them down there.
Falcon, yeah,
Yeah.
they're slaying.
So they actually moving this way now.
I know they're fun.
I'll be in touch with you, man.
Yeah, man, if you ever have any questions or want to know where to fish or bite at, I can definitely give you some recommendations. So.
Have a good one.
Yeah,
I
hey.
appreciate you.
Yep.
Alright, you guys, got on the first one. Chunky little rascal too. Got him on the Rapala lipless crankbait. Let's get him back in the water. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Alright, let's
So largemouth too.
yeah.
Dang.
He about the same size as the bait. Look at there. let's get this little thing back in the water, man.
There you go.
Thank you, buddy. Alright, I just hooked into something big, y'all. Come here, buddy. He don't want to come out the water. he don't want to come out the water, huh? I got him. Let me see how much this boy weighs. Huh?
That's pretty big.
Thank you, man. 3.3.
3-3?
3.3. Nice one. Got him on the jerk bait, you guys. Check it out. Okay, I have to go. Alright, guys. It's been fun. It's always fun if you come out during the wintertime and catch bass. Hey, that's what it's all about, guys. Well, I don't know what else I can say. It's just, I'm an all-around fisherman. I like to fish the whole year round. It gets me out the house. So, y'all guys, I thank you so much for watching my content. I thank you for your comments. I appreciate you for your thumbs up. And when you subscribe to my channel, that puts joy in my heart to do better. To keep pressing, keep pushing, to put out content, you guys. Hey, I wouldn't be where I'm at if it weren't for you guys. So, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Till the next video.